Hi everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and with me today I have my special guest, my son, Mr. Chomper. Yay! And we are out here this glorious evening to open up his next Barkbox. Now, I don't know what month this is. I don't know. I don't know if we're current or if we're a month behind, but he loves his Barkbox, so we're just going to open it up nonetheless. If you've seen any of our other videos, Chomper likes to eat the box, and I will sample all his food because I am a psycho dog mother, and that is how it's going to work. So without further ado, I think Chomper would like for me to open this box. What do you think? Can I get Paw? Nothing. But he'll work for a treat. So we're going to open up the box. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Podium Pups. This is really cute. I don't know. Oh, it's Podium Pups Village. It's like the Olympics, but for doggies. Okay. I love how every month is a different theme. So the first thing oh my gosh, it's a little gold medal that says, I participated. That's for sure with Chomper. He's participation king. He's not going to do too much. What is this? Oh, you can bite it? Let me take the tags off. At least out here, he's not like trying to eat the box. I mean, he was in the beginning. Here, you want to put this around your neck instead of your tie? Here. For thick boys. Okay. Okay, he's biting it. Okay, no. He's a little thick around the neck and it's not quite going on. Let's try again. Yay, I participated. He's like, Mom, get to the good stuff. Okay, what do we have in here? Treats. Lamb recipe dog treats. Can he have lamb? I don't think so. So we're not going to open these. We're going to give these away to one of our furry friends, because Chompy can't have lamb. He does have a little bit of an allergy. So this will go to one of our furry friends, which he has plenty of. Okay, next treats. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Chomper. He's already drooling. Peanut butter recipe dog treats. Okay, the snack of champions. Well, he is a champion if I ever did see one. Oh right, you want to sniff it? No, you don't bite the bag, son. Okay, let's have a sniff. I smell peanut butter. Let me have a little taste test for him. So it's wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, grain-free. It's got peanut butter, potato protein, pea protein, just a bunch of other stuff.
Skin them, throw them in a stew. You know, potato.
What?
Potatoes. Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew.
Chompy, you want a bite? Oh, that's a good boy. Hey, let's see if he'll give a high five for a treat. I bet you he'll work for a treat. Chompy, you want another treat? Give me a high five. Give me paw. Oh, look at that! Amazing how he can give paw for a treat. And then he drools all over me. Okay, next we have, what is this? This is Team Bark Rocco Sacco. Let's take the tag off of him. Okay, Team Rocco Sacco. It looks like a soccer ball on this side. So I don't know if, oh look. It is like a soccer ball. It turns into a soccer ball on this side. And there's a squeaker in here, and then he's got the crinkle material. Chomper, hold on. Hold on. He's trying to get it. So you can pull out the Chomper. Chomper, you want this? Okay, I need you to calm down. So you can pull out the soccer part with the squeaker, and then it's got the crinkle material in the head. Oh, and there's a lot of squeaking happening. Trying to, okay. You want Team Rocco? Okay, there you go. No, stay here. Okay, and then the next thing we have is a peanut butter and crab stick. Oh my gosh, he dropped the toy again. Okay. So this one is like one of those tougher sticks. Okay, I can't get it open, so that's what handy dandy scissors are for.
It's the feds! Run, everybody!
You're gonna edit that out because that was stupid. Okay, so the stick is flexy. Ooh, and it broke. So let me try a little. Tastes like peanut butter and chocolate a little bit. So it is peanut butter and crab. I'm going to break. Okay, calm down. I don't know if you guys can see the spit bubbles that are forming over here, so I'm going to break it down into smaller pieces because otherwise Chopper likes to eat things whole and then choke on it because he's got that Bulldog excessive gene in him. Chomper! Okay, he's working on that. So then inside it gives you a little play-by-play of all the different little toys you could get with this. And then it says on here, Bark First Prize. So it looks like you can build this up to be like a little podium stand. Oh, Chomper. So as you can see, I participated has fallen off. And there is slobber all over it. And there is slobber all over his new toy as well. So he's very busy eating his peanut butter and crab stick. So we continue to get Barkbox monthly. It is not a sponsored subscription. We do pay for this out of our pocket, so it is our true opinion and our honest opinion on this. We do have a referral link. That will be linked in the description box below, so if you do decide to get your fur child a Barkbox, please use Chomper referral link. It might help him get a couple bucks off his next box. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this review of Chomper's Barkbox. This is my son, my fur baby. He doesn't listen very well. He's a Bulldog. He's looking to get down as usual. But make sure you hit that subscribe and bell notification. And if you're not following Wonderland Boutique, all of my social media will be linked in the description box down below. So this is Denise from Wonderland Boutique signing off. And my guest today, Chomper. We hope to see you again real soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.